Hey everyone, Ash here. Today I'm bringing you a small little snippet of a gear reveal, showing off gear that I made for TNA Impact's World Heavyweight Champion, Moose. Let me take you there. And here we have two pair of trunks that just got finished up. Right now you're looking at the backs. I'll show you the fronts here. How they're looking. Beautiful, beautiful. And then we're going to lead our way up to a pretty, pretty robe. Pretty, pretty robe. Ready to go. Let me turn it around for you here. This I think is maybe like the fifth robe that I've made him so far. So far so good. It's a quick little reveal before I send him out. What do you think, Moose?
I'm the TNA Heavyweight World Champion, and I'm also the best dressed wrestler in pro wrestling today. And when I need fresh gear, robes, knee pads, I go to my boy, the incredible Jeff Greeno. Moose.
Hey everyone, how you doing? Ash here. What's going on, subscribers, pro wrestlers, wrestling fans, musicians, whoever the hell you are out there? I hope everyone is staying safe, being smart, and I hope you're all okay. Please stay safe during these times. We're still going through it. PPE, wash those damn hands. Please, 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 be smart. But today, I am bringing you my 6th Hasbro unboxing, my WWF Hasbro unboxings. Well, this time it's not really so much of an unboxing as it is a reveal. And my impatience got the best of me over the last few weeks, since my last video. And I've been opening my packages up and having all sorts of fun with seeing them for myself. But this time I'm going to reveal 6 new WWF Hasbro figures that I've gotten since the last video. So number 1, let me bring you Series 1, baby. Macho Man Randy Savage. Met on card. And I was very happy with the deal I got on this figure. I've been looking for it for a while, and a lot of people usually overprice them. That's my biggest concern, is testing my patience with waiting for the right prices, the right sellers who are willing to deal, and fortunately I've been able to find a lot of them. So I want to thank for this one AMOKTIMETOYS. Kind of like running amok inside a toy store. AMOKTIMETOYS. Thank you so much for the great deal on the Series 1 Macho Man. Alright, so that's number 1. That's number 1. Number 2 for tonight Same character, different series. We have Series 5. Macho Man Randy Savage. Fully dressed with the hat, with the tassels on the arms. Love this figure. Got it at a great deal. Again, eyeing out a lot of Macho Man figures. Hard to come by. And when they are easy to come by, there's usually only a few of them at a time, and they're usually overpriced. You just got to be patient. I'm pretty patient because I'm gonna get the right deal on these things. I'm not gonna overpay if I don't have to. So for this one, I want to thank, since I'm very, very, very thankful that this came up at the price. I want to thank Gorlando.2008. Gorlando.2008. Go check out the eBay store. These guys have awesome products other than WWF Hasbro's. A lot of the places I've been buying from have been retro toy shops and collectible shops and places like that. Not only do they have stores, but they have eBay shops as well. So that is number 2. Let me bring you the third figure for tonight. It is a Series 1 and 1 I've been trying to get for a while, at the right price, of course. And thankfully, since I was a returning customer to this fella, gave me a great deal. Great deal. Series 1, Ravishing Rick Rude, bagged up, mock, mint on card. I don't care about the Kmart price tag stickers. I actually love seeing the nostalgia. So that's number 3. Alright, number 4 is a number 3. Number 4, tonight I'm bringing you a Series 3, and the last of this figure I need to get, since there was 4 of this figure plus the mail away. But we have Series 3, Hulk Hogan with Hulkaplex. And again, I got this at a great deal, and I want to thank MIGHTYAMB, AMB, MIGHTYAMB, all one word. Go check out the eBay shop. Great deal on this figure. Alright, number 5 is another Series 1. I've been knocking out these Series 1s like crazy recently, and I've been happy. Pretty happy about it. We have, again, the last one of this character that I needed. He came with 3 figures to the whole series, but this one is Series 1, Macho Man, or $1 Million Man, Ted DiBiase. Again, great deal. Was happy this came up at the deal it was. I want to thank, who got it for me there? CPARADISE. All one word, CPARADISE. CPARADISE. Go check out the eBay shop. I've been getting awesome deals from these guys. Or girls. Hard to really specify sometimes. Alright. Now, the 6th and final one for tonight is another gem. And again, I am a returning customer to this seller who previously gave me an awesome deal on a green card, and the green card that it was Atom Bomb. But this time we got another gem, and is one that I've been dying to get, because as a kid I remember the heel turn. I remember the heel turn very vividly, and I remember being somewhat emotional about it. Kind of like the same as I was when Tatanka turned heel. But those were my these were my magic days of watching pro wrestling. So again, I got this figure, this sixth and final figure for today's reveal, a gem. We have green card, Evil Crush. And I was so happy to land this one, and the shape of it is impeccable. The card itself, there's no creases on it. The seal of the bubble is perfect, as well as the rest of them I showed you. Otherwise I wouldn't have bought them. Rightfully, that's all I care about is the bubble seal. If the card has creases on it anywhere or something like that, I don't care about that. I'll still get it. It's still displayable. As long as the figure has never been off of the backing, as long as the seal, the bubble, has never been away from the cardboard backing, that's what I'm interested in. Not all of my cards have to be perfecto, but the figures do. So I was happy to get this one finally. So now I am only one card away, which is Big Yoko, one card away from completing the green card series, which is the last series of the WWF Hasbro. And for this, I want to once again thank Love to Shop 1113. Love to Shop 1113. And they actually had a green card Yoko for sale, but at the time I was more fixated on getting this, since you see a lot more of the green card Yoko floating around on eBay more often than you do the green card Crush. So this one I had to get. Awesome deal. Thank you to all the sellers that I have named and listed today. I hope some of my subscribers come check you guys out and check out your products. And I'm getting there, folks. I think I'm only 8 figures away from having the complete series that I want. And now that I'm bringing that up, tonight I won an auction for another gem, and it's another one that's hard to find. The condition of the card is a bit creasy, but the overall picture on both sides is still there, so I'm not going to turn it away. The bubble seal on it was still perfect, and there's no dents or holes or anything in the bubble. Few of them that I have, few of them have like tiny little holes that have been busted into them. That's so much I'm not gonna make a big deal about. What I do make a big deal about before I buy one of these is the bubbles seal, the perimeter seal. And you can easily tell if it's factory or if it's been resealed. And I've been pretty good at avoiding that type of scam, which is not so common in the. It's not really a common thing to try and reseal these and then sell them as new. There's no real way of tearing these things off the backing without a lot of the cardboard coming with it. So that's just virtually impossible to try and line back up and make look factory sealed. It's just, I don't care what kind of machines you have out there, it's just not going to happen. So 6 figures down, 6 figures a part of the collection, going on the completion wall behind me, and I am only 8 figures away from completing the 93 figure series, or the 93 cards, and 5 more figures than that, which is 98. 98 figures. I'm pretty happy about that. And it's only taken me just under 2 years to get where I am now. So I've been hauling ass at trying to get these, and a lot of my play money has ceased to exist because of them. But once I get them all, then I can start putting more money away, because these are the only things that I really want to collect, that and guitars. So thank you for sticking around. I hope you enjoyed these. I hope you enjoyed the snippet of the gear I made for TNA Moose earlier. We're going to have more content coming to you shortly. I still got to get you guys some more original playthroughs, and I still got to get you guys that best of gear review so far in my gear making career. There's probably only going to be 10, maybe 13 choices, but I think I'm going to still narrow it down to 10. Going to figure out what order I want them to be in, and then we're going to start shooting. So again, until next time, please everyone, stay safe, stay sanitized, wear a fucking mask, and be smart. But until next time, everyone, again, stay safe, be smart. Ash out.